Hi guys, it's me again. Today we will learn how to use the prefix and the postfix operator in Java. If you like our video, do click the like button and subscribe to our page to be updated on our next coming how-to tutorials. If you use the plus plus operators as prefix, for example, let me come up with an example here. So plus plus VAR, and basically we are talking about the value of VAR is incremented by 1, then it returns value. However, when we look into the plus plus operators as postfix, for example, we say VAR plus plus. Okay, the original value is returned first, then the variable is increased by 1. So you call this postfix, and this is called prefix. Let's look into an example here. So we have a public class here called increment operator. And in our main body, we are going to come up with int var1 equals 5. And then we're going to declare another variable, which is var2 equals 5 as well. Okay, so if you look here, var1 is displayed. So I'm going to come up with some comments before we actually proceed. Then var1 is increased to 6. Okay, that's what I am saying, but let's look at the system in a while. So system.out.println, and we say var1 plus plus. Then we come up with var2 is increased to 6. Then var2 is displayed. So if we look at our system.out.println and we say plus plus var2, okay, so what we can do now is, okay, we already have the whole program here. Okay, let's look at how we can run it. So we have 5 and 6 here. So 5 is basically variable 1. So it sticks to its original variable. So if you look at variable 1, because it's actually a postfix, it remains with 5. Whereas when it comes to the second variable, var2, is plus plus var2. So it basically adds on first or increases first before it actually displays. Okay, whereas the variable 1 plus plus, which is postfix, it remains with its original value that was already justified in the beginning. So This is how prefix and postfix works in a simple Java program, just explained straight. So, well, if you would love to follow up with all our coming tutorials, don't forget to press the bell and subscribe our channel. So, bye for now.